Hi, welcome back, subscribers, and welcome to my new people watching, and I hope you'll consider subscribing. So today I'm making a delicious salad, wanting to upgrade the way that I'm eating for better health. So of course you've got the tomato. It was still on the vine. I just took it off the vine, so it's nice and fresh. Now this is a mixture of different greens. It's called a spring mix. Yeah, so that's going to be the base of the salad. Very, very delicious. Then some shredded carrots. I don't like to take the time to just cut them up. So it's, and then there's some olive oil, mayonnaise. Very delicious, less fattening. I'm trying to see how many calories. It says 50 per serving. And then I have some shrimp. And this is pretty much what it looks like. I've got some avocado in there, cucumber, and the tomato with the spring mix. And then I'm going to put the shrimp there. And of course, mayonnaise is going to be the salad, the olive oil mayonnaise. Yeah, I know it's going to be delicious. I've made one similar to this, but I just kind of added a few different things. So I hope you try it and enjoy it.